Hi guys, welcome to my IGTV and I'm Ashita. I'm doing this video because मैं अपने बाल color करने वाली हूँ घर पे, which I have done several times when I was younger maybe, but मैंने बाकी कभी recent years में अमीर होने के बाद, I mean independent होने के बाद नहीं करे हैं because I thought they have the skill and salon में better हो जाते हैं. But I came across this really cute brand. It's called PARADYES. Yes, PARADYES dyes, and look how cute this chick is. She looks just like me. No, she doesn't, but so I thought let's just give it a try. It is only for $7.95. I think $7.95 is pretty cool because Alava I spend almost 4 to 4.5 like for this length, which is not a lot. I guess it spent around 4K and it is not okay, and it like washes off in a month or two. Just see what they have in here. They have a conditioner. Cool. They have this letter. Oh, love letter. Nahi, so cool. So it's like a precautionary tale in a nice cute love letter. Let's see what they have next. I think it's the product. It's the product. Oh, nice. So let's see. This is the color Corolla Pink. And do they have anything else? Oh, gloves. It's I have gloves, but I'm gonna use them anyway because those are like different gloves for like the corona situation use. Okay, so I don't think they have anything else yet. They have a brush. Yeah, काफी cool है ये brush. देखो, ये white है और इसका off white है और इसका ये भी off white है. It's quite soft also. Yeah, I might use this later for makeup. No, I won't. Anyway, so let's see what they are saying. Use the brush to apply color into a hair full jar. Of course, तो मैं करूँगी. फिर leave the color on for 10-20 minutes. ये लोग कह रहे हैं 10-15 मिनट रखो. ठीक है? Ta-da! So this ish has been read and I'm just going to like keep it somewhere like here for now, and going to prepare to color my hair. So first I'm going to apply petroleum jelly. Hi, this is my dog. So cute. Come here, show your face to people. In my poodles. Yes, please. Tell your name. You are Poodle Singh. My bunny Singh. Say hi. Do you want to color? Should I color his tail? That'll be amazing. But that was the oil go. Let's go from here. Ouch. Okay. I thought he took something, but he didn't. So I will just be back with the preparations. Hi, so I just changed into a different t-shirt which I'm never going to use again. So I'm applying petroleum jelly to my neck. यार सर पे भी लगा लेती हूँ क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम मैंने कलर करा था बाहर मतलब सैलून में, तभी भी मेरे चेहरे पे लग गई थी. Anyway, let's just go for it. I think प्रेपरेशन काफ़ी हो सकती है. मैं लिटिल नर्वस, पता नहीं मैं कहाँ कर दूँगी, कुछ हो जाएगा. ओके, सो इसमें उन्होंने वो ये भी लिखा है, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप अगर आपके बाल अगर ब्लीच्ड हो तो ये ऐसा कलर आएगा. लाइक सी they've mentioned here. So if your hair is bleached, it will come like this. If your hair is not bleached, so it's better to bleach your hair if you want the desired color, and if not, if you're happy with the color, it's your own choice. And मुझे वैसलीन बिल्कुल अच्छा लग रहा है. मैं कितना कंप्लेन करती हूँ यार, मुझे कोई बोलता क्यों नहीं है. Anyway, so maybe मैं nervous हूँ इसलिए मेरे बाल. Okay, I'm just gonna go for it. I'll just wear the gloves. All right, I am ready to operate, and I'm just gonna take. So I'm not going to color my upper part because my upper part is already colored with like brownish situation. If you can see, मैं पहले ही करा ली थी जब मैंने रेड कराया था इसके पहले. The moment of truth. इसको तो खोलना पड़ेगा. ये तो खुल नहीं रहा है. खुल गया. तो इसको मैंने खोल दिया है. As usual, it has a cap, like a stopper kind of thing. And all right, are you seeing this? What did I do? I dropped it. Oh my god, I dropped it. Well, the first wound is. This is nice though. It's on my. Wow. So how instant time? I just cut. I just clean it off. I'm like, chop. All right, so I've already made a blunder, and I'm sure this video is going to be a lot of blunders because look at me and who am I? यार मुझे क्या करना चाहिए, मुझे करना. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna be amazing. I believe myself. I am amazing. Let's just take like small strands and do it. है ना, कर लेती हूँ मैं. So I'm just gonna keep this here, and so you can see that I am taking the color. Oh god, it's going to ruin the white thing. And just like do it and apply the color. Some more. I think there's hair. I thought there's no color here, right? Like there's no bleach part that you can see. I'm just gonna be sure and just put some more. You know, I've kept this here. I can't see anything in the mirror which I've placed behind. Great. So I've done this, and I'm just going to look how it is not doing to my clothes. Now I'm gonna miss this t-shirt. ये तो हमेशा होता है. मैं सोचती हूँ कुछ मैं नहीं पहनूंगी, ये खराब ही है और फिर मुझे उसकी याद आती है. Anyway, I'm just gonna take this. Did you see what I did? Did you just see? I'm just gonna, yeah. I'm gonna take some more of my hair and just do it. I'm gonna wipe this off. I have to wipe this off. Okay, hold on. I'm just going to. What did I do? Okay, so this is why they have said that put Vaseline, because this is what you'll do, and it won't be pretty, and it is staining right away. So congratulations. यार इसमें तो बहुत टाइम लगता है. मैंने ना ये सोचा नहीं है बहुत ज़्यादा. एक तो my skin is glowing. I wish my skin was glowing like this all the time without the Vaseline. It is though. It is. I'm a glowy person. Glowy? I'm a glowing person. Personally glowing. I'm cool. Ooh, yes. My hands are stained like a lot. Alright. No, you come later. Alright, so this is this. And the last strand, which I'm going to take like from the top. Okay, so I have completed one side. And I am going to take like the whole thing and put some more together. ऐसा नहीं हो जाए कि if I leave something that's like last thing. I'm just going to apply on the upper thing as well, because uniformity. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so yeah, so I'm just going to like I guess I have colored it quite decently, because now that I'm rolling it, you can see. And going to make like a space bun and tie it up. Whatever mistakes I made, I'll explain you at the end of the video, and I'll just do this off camera and come back. Alrighty. I have used like colored both my sides, and I am going to wait for 10 to 20 minutes to clear it up. Okay, yes, I just want to see, look at my hands. इसमें थोड़ा कलर दिख रहा था, मतलब कि मेरे my hair is like white bleach, it's like completely bleach. मैंने बालों को इतनी बार bleach किया हुआ है कि मेरे बाल white हो गए, they're lifeless. तो hopefully ये हो, क्योंकि इसमें इन्होंने कहा है कि इनके पास hibiscus भी है, इसमें hibiscus extract, which I love. It's that nice. Anyway, so let's see. I'm just gonna go wash my hair and show you how it turns out. Alright, bye. Alright, hi guys. So I have washed my hair, dried my hair, styled a little bit, and here are the results. I think it's looking pretty fantastic. I mean, look at the color, how it has turned out. It's looking pretty great. I think madness. I would have not, like, this was not my expectations. मुझे लगा था कुछ तो ऐसा रेडिश हो जाएगा और कुछ तो पेल हो जाएगा, but I think बहुत ही ज़्यादा potency है इस कलर में और अच्छा हुआ है. I mean, patting myself on the back because it's looking pretty great. और the color bled थोड़ा ज़्यादा, मतलब नहाते हुए उसकी bleeding हो रही थी, जब मैं पानी डाल रही थी तब वो कलर निकल रहा था, but I think उन्होंने mention किया कि 4-5 washes तक वो होगा. The second thing, I don't think जो मैंने यहाँ ऊपर अप्लाई किया था वो I think थोड़ा बहुत I don't think इतना दिख रहा है, बहुत ही कम दिख रहा है. I think my old colors only visible. मैं लाइट में बैठी तो अगर होता तो दिखना चाहिए था, but it's not possible. So you have to bleach or you have to lighten or brown your hair if you want desired color, वरना वो नहीं आएगा. अगर आप सोचो कि आप कलर कर लोगे ऐसे ही और आपके ऐसे कलर्स आ जाएंगे अपने बालों को, so that is not going to happen because my hair was already bleached. मैंने काफ़ी बार अपने बाल ब्लीच करा चुकी हूँ, इसीलिए मेरे बाल ऐसे, मतलब मेरा कलर ऐसा आया, वरना it wouldn't have been possible. Okay, so few things. Make sure that तुम न्यूज़पेपर रखो या कुछ सरफेस से प्लास्टिक रखो या कुछ रखो कि अगर कलर नीचे गिरे या कुछ ऐसा हो तो मैस ना हो, क्योंकि मेरे फ्लोर पे ऑलरेडी स्टेन हो चुका है एंड मेरे कपड़ों पे स्टेन हो चुका है एंड मेरी बैग पे स्टेन हो चुका है. सो आई डोंट वांट दैट टू हैपन विथ यू गाइज, सो कीप दैट इन माइंड. नेक्स्ट चीज़ ये है कि ग्लव्स. लुक व्हाट हैपेंड टू माई हैंड्स. You have to, the gloves which they provide, they don't fix. वैसे नहीं बैठते, वो निकल आते हैं when you're like applying it. तो I think don't use the gloves that they're giving. Use a different sort of glove, maybe like the surgical ones जो हम लोग कोरोना में इस टाइम पे जो पहनते हैं वो gloves यूज़ करो. आप फेंक भी सकते हो एंड वो स्टिक रहते हैं, सो आपके हाथों में नहीं होता. और एक बात है जो वैसलीन, ओ माय गॉड, आपने तो देखा है मेरे साथ क्या हुआ. तो अपने चेहरे के ऊपर, अपने गले के ऊपर, नेप, हाथ, पैर, अगर आपने शॉर्ट्स पहने तो पैर में या जो भी जहाँ भी नहा लो वैसलीन या कोकोनट ऑयल में. जस्ट applied everywhere because if it stains, this is what is going to happen to you. And like okay, my nail. So yeah, I think that's it. I think I give this color situation a 9 on 10, maybe 10 because of the gloves and few other things, but I think 9 on 10 is pretty great for the color they have provided. And or by the way, the color is left, मतलब मैंने पूरा ख़त्म भी नहीं किया इतने लंबे वालों पे. The color is still remaining. Maybe I can touch it up बाद में या apply it on my dog's tail, which I won't do, don't worry. So yeah, there is one more color, like a little bit color left, which maybe I can touch it up with. So yeah, I myself, I'm so like, look at the color, look at the potency of the color. I myself am pretty shocked with the results because wow, मैंने नहीं एक्सपेक्ट किया था, बिल्कुल भी नहीं एक्सपेक्ट किया था. लास्टली द कंडीशनर, माय गॉड, द कंडीशनर इतना अमेजिंग कंडीशनर था वो, इतना अमेजिंग. मैं जो अभी कंडीशनर यूज़ करती हूँ दैट इज़ ऑल्सो प्रेटी अमेजिंग, बट आई गेस इट्स अ लिटिल एक्सपेंसिव देन द कंडीशनर दे हैव पैराडाइज, like as in the company they have on their website. So I think I'm gonna try the conditioner too. And yeah, I think that's pretty cute. Oh my god. और मैं मेकअप करने के बाद थोड़ी इंसान भी लग रही हूँ. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. और कुछ आप चाहते हो कि मैं कोई प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करूँ या मैं कुछ करूँ या अपने मैं बालों को कुछ और करूँ तो please let me know. Also I might cut my hair short after a while. So let me know if I should cut my hair short or not. And yes, I'm gonna do few makeup things also. Because why not, like let's just do it, right? All right, thank you so much, bye. Bro, मेरा लाइफ में देखो कैसे मेरे बाल लग रहे हैं. मैं उल्टा चल रही हूँ, but wow.